Hello guys, it's Kevin here with my 2 week update for the Lovable Shipped competition. First of all, I want to say that this video is made in a rush. I've been working on the website for 20 hours straight now, and I finally got the core functions to work again. Uh, I am super tired, brain fog, everything. Um, So I am very sorry for how this video probably will turn out. I am sorry for slurring. Um, but let's dive into it. Um, you're probably thinking, where's the polished demo? Where's the new features? And today I actually did something that seemed absolutely insane, which was I rebuilt the entire application from scratch. My global rank 1 app from scratch, and honestly I don't even know if it's gonna be working when it's time for submission. Right now I finally got the image generation to work again. Um, Last week Tailforged achieved global rank 1, which was incredible. Uh, but then I tried to actually use my own app for week 2, and oh boy, story generation not working. The code was completely broken, and it wasn't just technical failure. I looked at the user feedback I got from week 1. Uh, One guy said that the dark UI gives me gaming website vibes. Image generation wasn't working, too much text to read, text was jumping outside the boxes. Um, so I basically had built something that was looking impressive, but was fundamentally flawed, and the universe was basically telling me to rebuild. My foundation was just wrong. I chose to rebuild it completely, and it was terrifying. It was terrifying, terrifying, terrifying. I've spent so much money on credits, and I had my brother on the call for a few hours where he helped me. Uh, and I don't know. I've created a PRD, a completely new PRD. Um, Let me see if I can bring it up for you. Yes, so I've created a PRD from scratch. I've created a UVX document mapping everything color-wise and design-wise. And it's many pages long. It was a complete product evolution based on feedback, but mainly I had focus on actually making the AI integration work, and hopefully it works for the submission and for you guys when you are going to try it. I don't know what actually happened, but I had lots of errors with edge functioning. The image generation was failing because storage buckets didn't exist. The audio generation was trying to upload to buckets that weren't there. But I'm not I'm not upset about this, because I think this is what a real startup building looks like, especially if you're doing it alone. It's messy, it's frustrating, and as I said before, I'm not even sure it's gonna be up by the time we submit this. But I've learned a lot, and you can't just rebuild randomly. You gotta build with a plan. You gotta learn from what what went wrong the last time. So I basically followed a 6-phase build. strategy where phase 1 foundation, landing page, and then authentication systems, and phase 3 story creation flow, phase 4 AI integration with cost controls, phase 5 polish and community features, and phase 6 deployment and testing. The database setup alone required creating storage buckets, setting up RLS policies, populating admin settings, enabling real-time subscriptions, etc. So here we are with an almost functioning website. Image generation is working. Image generation is not working. Image generation is working, and this is I will let you first see how it looks like right now and what my plan is. As you see, the image is finally coming here. Here's the story, the text that got generated, but we still have issues because all of a sudden it says chapter 2, and here on this little thing we're supposed to have all the slides so you can, navigate between them. You end the story, you generate some voice, and then you're supposed to be able to start a slideshow. Voice generation failed. Try again. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do when I finish this video. I'm gonna try to fix the voice generation. But we have some change logs here, and I'm gonna upload some change logs to the website where you actually can see it. So the real lesson today is sometimes the best response to success is to question everything. Yes, I reached global 1 and my app was broken, but instead of defending what I built, I listened to what users actually need and what you guys wanted. And real iteration isn't just adding features, it's fundamentally improving the product based on real user feedback and technical reality. This setback might be the best thing that could have happened because right now I'm building on something that works, something that looks nice, something I'm happy with, something you guys hopefully will be satisfied with. And then again, for submission, I'm not sure if it's gonna be ready. But I rather submit something honest and incomplete than something polished but fundamentally broken. So yeah, once again, I'm so sorry for how this video probably turned out. I am completely fried, but as I said, I have no time left, and I just had to cook something for you guys. So if you want to follow this chaotic journey, please join the waitlist at tailforged.app. Be part of building the future of multimodal storytelling. And if you're building your own startup, remember that sometimes the best thing that can happen is for everything to break. It forces you to build something truly great. That's all I had. So see you next week. hopefully with a working application. Thank you.